In today's video, I'll be talking about this little powerhouse of a camera, the Fujifilm X-T200. If you're interested in that, stay tuned watching this video. Hey guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another tech review video. I'm pretty excited to tell you guys my review of the X-T200. I'll be giving you guys some of its specs and tell you what I think about the camera. Now, this camera I would say is pretty much the little brother of the X-T30 because of how it physically looks like. However, it has a lot of features similar to the X-A7, which I reviewed in a previous episode. If you want to know more about the X-A7, you can check it out in the description box below. The Fujifilm X-T200 has a lot of professional level features in a lightweight compact body, such as a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, built-in viewfinder, 3.5-inch articulating screen, 3.5mm mic input, and uncropped 4K video, to name a few. Basically, this is a huge upgrade from its previous model, the X-T100. Like I mentioned previously, it does have similar features with the X-A7 as they share the same 24 megapixel sensor that has embedded face detect autofocus, 11 film simulations and advanced filters for creative shooting, a 3.5-inch articulating touchscreen for those who want to film themselves, and it can record 4K videos with a 15-minute record limit at 24 to 30 FPS. Beyond that, the X-T200 does have features that would make an aspiring content creator to have it as their arsenal. When it comes to the camera body, Fujifilm never missed out its timeless look that sports a nice leather painted finish that comes with three colors: silver, dark silver, and champagne gold. It has a better ergonomic grip that makes you feel like holding a regular SLR, which is a good thing for camera handling. As it caters to the entry-level users, it has a few buttons that would not make it intimidating for beginners to navigate through the camera settings and to set the customized buttons for shortcuts. One of its selling points is its built-in electronic viewfinder for those who prefer to shoot on eye level, so that you'll have steady shooting compared to just using the LCD screen. In terms of video, it has a new HDR movie mode which combines multiple exposure in order to increase the scene's dynamic range. This is perfect for scenes that have strong backlight or when the scene has a mixture of shadows and highlights. Another new feature is the camera's way of stabilizing the scene. It now has a setting called digital gimbal in order to make your scene more stable. However, using this setting would make your field of view cropped, and I would not recommend turning this on when you are filming yourself. I would rather use the setting when I decide to shoot B-roll sequences like these. The 1080p video has an additional high-speed setting that can slow down the scene up to 5 times, which is quite intense in my opinion, and perfect for capturing slow motion shots. In terms of audio feature, I'm so happy it finally has a 3.5mm mic input instead of a 2.5. And the audio setting has features that I wish my X-A7 would have, like the external mic level adjustments are now set by decibels, rather than setting it to level 1 to 4. If you're an audio person, you would feel me right now, because that's something important for me, especially in post-production. So here are some of my thoughts reviewing the X-T200 in comparison with the X-A7. First thing, there's not much difference in terms of output quality of photos and videos. They produce pretty much the same for both cameras, and they also cater for those who want to get started in content creation. They basically differ more on the camera's features. If you're aiming for those extra specs that I've mentioned in this review, then I would suggest getting the X-T200. But if you're happy with the current features that the X-A7 has, then I would save a few bucks buying this camera instead. Alrighty, I hope you guys got some insights for this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified for new videos such as this. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, guys.